tutorial on web development with Flask. My name is Ronak Vyas and this video is a collaboration with Programming Knowledge. So before we start today's video, I'd just like to say that a lot of people have been asking me about learning Python, how to learn Python, and how to go about applying jobs. So I usually take 2 to 3 video sessions, one-on-one sessions, where I talk about how to learn Python, to schedule classes with me, about resume writing, about how to prepare for internships and placements. So if you want to have a conversation with me on a video call, then we can surely set that up. All the information about contacting me is in the links in the description. So yeah, now that we have got that aside, in the previous video, we talked about how we can add Flask login to our web application to handle user authentication. We were able to set up some pages which can be only accessed if you were logged in and how that session management takes place. We also talked about how you can access the current user that is logged in and handle those attributes. And we also played around with how to have some pages, so for example a profile to display the current user's name in the profile page. So in this video we'll talk about how we can create the main feature of our web application, which is the CRUD, the create update delete features. In this video we'll talk about how to create workouts and how to show them or display them, and the next video we'll talk about how to update and delete them. So let's get started. Let's check if our Flask application is up and running since the last video. So yes, it's running perfectly well. Let me just check a few other details and it's good. Awesome. Now first we need to add or have our workouts into the database because we have to show them and we have to maintain or keep track of the workouts for each user. So oops, let me just get rid of this for now. Yeah, so we are going to have another table in our database called as workout, where we store some information regarding the workout, and then let's see how we can access that or add some information into that workout or create a workout and display them on the page as well. So first let's get started. So we need a class of workout. Simple stuff, nothing new here. We need an ID. What's next? We need, this is a push-ups logger, so we need to keep a log of how many push-ups somebody has done. So we need push-ups equal to db column, and this is going to be an integer as well. So let me just copy a bit. Not going to be a primary key, but it's going to be something else. So null able. So this cannot be 0. So you have to log at least one push-up. I think you can definitely do one push-up. So yeah. Next, we want to keep track of when the push-ups were done. So date posted. It's going to be db column, and this is going to be db.date time format. Again, cannot be null because it's going to be input automatically using default. It's going to be something here, so we need from date time import date time. Yeah, and here we're going to have date time dot utc now. So I'll be storing the date in UTC format, and you can change that to IST or any other country or time zone you like. Awesome. Now we need a comment. So how was the workout? Was it easy? Was it tough? So you write that here. So again, column, but this is going to be text, and again, at least put in something inside that, right? It's good to journal, have a journal where you can track your push-ups and also see the comments, because then you see how you're being better as you do it. And next, we want to link our workouts to the user. So we'll have the foreign key. We'll use a simple foreign key which is connected to the user ID. So user ID is equal to, sorry about that, db dot column db dot integer. Now it's foreign key, and it's going to be from user table and the ID column. Again, cannot be null. Awesome. So now we have our workout table ready. Now we just want to have or find a way to link our user or keep track of all the workouts under a user. So let's see how we can do that. So workouts equal to, we have to make a relationship. So relationship, and it's going to be with workout. And how are we going to have the relationship? So we'll use something called as the author of the workout, and lazy equal to true. So just make it easy for us. Now we'll see what this means. So what we just did here, we'll see when we implement the add workout function. So now our table is ready, or our database is ready for workouts to be added. Now let's set up the UI and the APIs for that. So first we need a way to add a new workout, right? So main, let's create a route for that, /new, and you have to be logged in to see that view. So new workout, and let's just render a template here. So create workout.html. So this is just going to be a get where you can just see the page to create a new workout. We'll be having another function to handle the post request. So just copy all of this here. This is going to handle the post method, and this is going to be new workout post. Instead of rendering this, we want to render this to the main, render it back to the main page, because you've added the workout and you want to see it. So this is done. Now we need to add some logic here of the post request, but let's create the HTML page for create workout. So new file, create workout.html, and since I don't want to focus on the code for the workout, let me just paste it and go through this. So first, the same old blocks, inheritance, and then we have some new things here. So we just want to display some flash messages. We'll talk about this later, but bear with this for now. We'll have a complete video only on this because they're really important. Then we have a form, so post to new, where this fellow function comes into the picture, and we have the push-ups, a comment, and you're able to add the workout. Now, awesome. Now let's see what do we do with the information. So first, we do push-ups request.form.get, nothing different, just the same stuff here. We do the same for comment. Now we need to add this into our database. So workout equal to workout, we need to use the workout class, but we haven't imported that yet. So let me just import everything now because we are almost at the end. So we need the database, we need the user, workout, and all the other things. So workout, and now let's add our stuff. So push ups equal to push ups, comment equal to comment, and author, which we talked about, is going to be the current user. So the author here, which we talked about, the way we link or form a relationship between the user and the workout is through here. So now Flask understands that this workout belongs to this particular user that is logged in. And now simple stuff, we are just going to add it to this DB session and commit, and then we redirect back to the main. Now let me just flash a message here, which we'll talk about later. I'm sorry that the workout has been added. And yeah, so now we will be able to add a new workout. Now, before we test that, let's see how we can display our workouts as well. So next, let's have a function or a route called as all, where we can see all the workouts, and obviously it's going to be login protected, and we'll call this user workouts. Instead of actually redirecting to the index page, let's actually return this back to user workouts so that the user can see all the workouts. And here, first we need the user, right? So user is equal to user dot query dot filter by, and we'll be filtering by email. So the current user dot email, and get the first thing we get. So first, but let's use first our 404. So Flask automatically shows a 404 page if the user is not in the database. And let's extract all the workouts now. So it's going to be user dot workouts. So this we're able to do because of this and this. So now that we're able to form a relationship between the user and the workout, we can directly access this. Awesome. And now let's return render template. We'll have an all workouts page made right now, where workouts equal to workouts and user equal to user to pass the information. Awesome. Now let's head here and do all workouts.html, and again copy the code. So we first welcome the user. We have a table. So we have a table where we show the number of push-ups performed at, so the date and the comments. So now we access them by workout.pushups, workout.date posted with a handy way to display it and comment. Next we have the edit and the delete button. So let's make them hash for now and not worry about them now. We'll see this in the next video. But yeah, so what is happening here? What did we all do? So first we have a new page which just shows the new form page for creating a workout. Then when the user sends a post request, we get the push up and the comment. We create a workout object, add that to our database, commit, flash a message that has been added, and return the user back to see all the workouts. And how do we show the workouts now? So we have an all page where we get the user by the current user that is logged in by the email. We get all the workouts, and then simply we just display or show all the workouts in Jinja templating. Now let's just confirm that whatever we have done is looking good so that we can see and run it to make sure that there are no mistakes. And by the way, oh yeah, so in the previous video we had some trouble with the logout function. We had some errors, so this is how to fix it. Somebody in the comments of the previous video also had the same solution, so thank you for that. And yeah, let's run this and see how we have done, if we got this right. So yeah, we haven't, where we cannot spell. So I cannot spell apparently. So where was that? Yep, right here. Awesome. Let's try that again. And looks like we're good to go. Let's refresh our page. Let's sign up again. So test test234@gmail.com, and the password is test234. Sign up. Sorry about that. Let's log in, test234@gmail.com, and the password is test234. And we have logged in. Awesome. Now let's go to add new workout. Oh wow, we didn't change that, my bad. So we go to base. This is where we have our base. And so yeah, I knew we were missing something. So we go to this little guy here to add new workout. Instead of profile, what do we need? We need new workout, right? So let's go to base and add that here. My bad. I think we're good to go. So we can just close and open this again. Awesome. So we are still logged in. So we are still logged inside test. Let's go to add workout. I actually did do 20 push-ups today, if you believe it or not. And it was kind of fun. Add workout. And we have an error. So what is the error? No such table workout. Okay, so we made some error here. So workout. There is no table as workout. So let's see what the mistake is here. Everything looks good. We haven't done anything yet. So why does it say no workout table? So let's see if the table was actually created. So we have the DB browser for that. And yeah, so open database. Let's go to projects, go to pushups logger, and we got the right here. So yeah, we have this one table. So yeah, we had not created the table. Let's see why that happened. So what we can do here is this. So usually when this happens, I create the tables again. So let's see how we can do that. So again, clear this out, use Python 3, and give me a minute until I get that. So we're going to create all the tables again and see how that works. So we configure the database, and yeah, right here. So we need create app and DB. So from I keep forgetting the name. So we import DB and create app, and yep, we did that. And let's read the database first, just to be careful. Close this, and yep, we're good to go. So sorry about that, we have to do this again. And yeah, let's run this back. Flask run. Let's see everything from scratch and make sure we have our database ready. So DB browser, we created the workout table as well. Let's open the database, projects, PK logger, and yeah, we have the workout table. Awesome. Now we can continue the same work. We sign up with test234 at gmail.com and test234, sign up, ignore, and let's log in. Test234 at gmail.com and test234, login. Awesome. Now let's add a workout. So again, did 20. It was kind of fun. Add workout, and here you go. So sorry about the HTML. I'm really bad at UI, but now you can go to all workouts and oh my bad, /all, and you can see the workout. So let's add another one. So I did 20 again. So this is a lie. Add workout, and here you go. We were able to add the workouts. We could see when they were performed, and in the next video when we do update and delete, we're going to definitely fix the HTML as well. So yeah, Thank you for watching. And if you want a one-on-one session with me on resume writing, how to write a good cover letter, how to prepare for placements, internships, and how to learn Python for that, all the links in the description to contact me can be via email, via my phone, anything. So yeah, thank you.